welcome to the vlog. Today is Monday, June. I don't even know what day it is. I'm in my campsite right here. And our campsite's in like this hole here where, yeah. But, what's nice about it is I have this hammock here. I do have this nice hammock here, and then I have a second one over here. And that's it for the tour. The water's boiling. This is my dad's coffee water. I can make the coffee for him. Alright, here's making coffee with a French press live. I'm your host, Isaac
Here
Nail.
comes Dad.
Well, I know how to do it.
You need a, it's gonna burn your hand. You need something to hold the blue pot.
So I need a pot holder. In here.
I think they're in the tent.
This is my dad without showing his face on how you put the water in. How many minutes, Dad?
3.
After 3 minutes, you want to take this plunger thing and you want to push it down. But only after 3 minutes, or else you won't have any coffee. So that allows the coffee grounds to go into the water and create coffee, and then the pushing it down kind of just finalizes. Okay, I just finished up in the laundromat. I'm not actually at the laundromat to do laundry. I was just there to charge the camera. Hello, Mom. My mom is over there doing her work. I just finished the laundromat doing my work. I just uploaded a video, I hope, and then I'll be there tomorrow morning uploading this video. So paradox. Now I'm going to get some ice from the camp office, which is right here in this modern building. We're getting lunch at a Chinese food place, and then we're gonna go eat it by the shore.